Hello everyone, in today's class we are going to learn a very simple easy way to prepare your pepperish chicken for guests and for your relaxation. You are highly welcome to Ulelu Ruth's kitchen. This is Ruth. Cook with me. So first, this is our chicken. This chicken was killed today, guys, and it's very fresh and very soft chicken. It's already washed. So to cook, let's cook the chicken first. Add your chicken inside the pot, add your chopped onions, 1 teaspoon of garlic, fresh garlic, then 1 teaspoon of seasoning, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of thyme. After that, take a turning stick or a desirable spoon, stir it together until all the seasoning blends together with the chicken. After stirring it together, the next thing is to put our chicken on fire. Because this chicken is soft one, I'm going to be cooking it for 10-15 minutes. If you're using hard one, cook it more than that. So while the chicken is on fire, here is our pepper, the main ingredient, Scotch bonnet pepper. It is already blended. This is the quantity we are using. So next, we check our chicken. The chicken is already done because it's 15 minutes. So I'm going to remove it from the water now. Get it ready to be grilled. We are grilling it, we are not frying it. You could fry. So this is the chicken after taking it away from the pot. It's going to be grilled for 30 minutes. So while that is on grill, add your pepper inside the pot, add half teaspoon of seasoning, half teaspoon of salt, then cover for 2 minutes, then add 25 ml of palm vegetable oil. Yes, vegetable oil, guys. Then allow it to heat up for 10 minutes. So the chicken is grilled. This is what it looks like after grilling it. So the next step is to check the pepper. Now the pepper is ready as well. So the next thing is to add your chicken. Add the already grilled chicken inside the pepper sauce and then stir it with a desirable spoon, desirable stick of your choice. Stir it until the sauce blends together. Then you cover to heat for 5 minutes. After then, your chicken, your pepper chicken is ready. It can be served to your guests. It can be used for your personal groove with your friends, with wine by each side. Today, chicken will be eaten with a vegetable, so I'm going to use cucumber. So this is what our chicken look like. So I will dice this cucumber to serve it with the chicken, cucumber and onions. You could use any other vegetable of your choice, but in today's tutorial I use cucumber and onions. So this is our pepperish chicken is ready. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the links below to watch other videos for this channel. Stay connected, more videos are uploaded every week. See you in the next class, dear friends. Bye for now.